Hello, my name is Alejandra Bocanegra. I am married. I am a housewife. I'm study agro for engineer. I am my spare time like to play soccer and be with my family. I live in Tolima. I am my sister. There are many tourist places such as Indigenous Moons, the Cuello River, Huacharaco Spa, among others. I am Tolima, our tropical foods, viudo de pescado, chuquipín, tamales, viudo de pescado, is this, tas as fish, banana, potato, cilantro, onion, and yaca. I am Tolima, you can go on excursion the indigenous moons, you can ask bees, spam, and walk to beautiful string the of the you can ask and you are exquisite typical. First time, ciruelas, yogurt, and arequipe. Come I am, come and you as beautiful city.